That was a lot of work.
Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. You can see we're in the front room. That's probably been cleaned out even more since the last time we've done anything with this. And well, that's what today's going to be. We're going to get the rest of this stuff out of here. Everything's being gutted. I've just bought new outlets. I have electrical wiring. I've got an HDMI port and stuff. I'm going to actually, so here's kind of what the plan is with this. The plan is going to be, I'm going to get a desk that comes out like this. So it's an L-shaped. And I'm going to have HDMI ports go through the wall here, up and over and drop out because the TV is going to be mounted on this wall. The mini fridge I've actually decided is going to go here with a little countertop that maybe we'll get somebody to make for us. Maybe. I don't know. And that's kind of how this room's going to be laid out. But this is going to be our editing area. And maybe someday when you guys, if you send us fan letters, we'll open them up in here. So without further ado, let's get this thing cleaned out and start gutting. Okay, other than the light up on the ceiling, everything's ready to be smashed open. We've disassembled all the outlets because I have, like I said, I have new wiring for all this. I kind of got to figure it out because when we were checking which breaker I had off, these are tied into the door opener, which I don't remember doing. I could have, but they're probably going to go right back the same way. I have this one wire that's coming down into here. It might get shortened up into here and start, and then the loop will go. Or I think I'm going to go here first, and then I got to get two outlets on this wall because, like I said before, the TV is going to go here. I'm going to have an outlet down here in the center. I'm going to have two outlets on this exterior wall here. There was an outlet up here at one point that I'm assuming, because the house, originally, the owner used to sell storm windows, so I'm thinking that must have been a sign hanging in the window at some point. Obviously, you can see the window here used to be much larger, and they did a really nice job of making it look pretty when they put the new window in. So when we re-sheetrock it, this won't be here. It'll actually be sheetrocked right up to the base of this window, so it'll actually look nicer. But I'm going to put two outlets here, and I'll have the one over there. So I got to figure out how I want to do this. I might go this one, start with this one here, and then run one up and over, go down. And then I got to figure out the light, because the light right now, old code when this was done, this was, if I cut this off, this is actually the neutral. So the power goes to the light and then backwards, instead of the way it should be doing, where it goes to the switch and then back up to the light. So that's some stuff I got to figure out. But I guess we'll see when we get all this stuff smashed open. So we'll figure out how to get you guys set up, and well, we're going to make a mess in here. That was, there's a lot of stuff in there. How much is on my face, Chris?
There's more in your shirt than your face. Your glasses are pretty well fogged up. I don't know how you saw in there.
Whew, not well. Let's, as you guys can see, we'll get a little look-see in here now that, everything's down. So apparently there was insulation here at one point because, oh my God, I'm covered. The back part up in here, there was insulation. You can actually see where the roof ends, because this was added on to the garage after the garage was built, so you can actually see the old shingles and stuff up in there still. But luckily, these look like they're 16 on center, so it won't be hard to put sheetrock back up. So there was insulation in here at one point. I'm sure we're going to find when we tear these walls open, it'll be the same thing. Well, there was insulation in here, but I'm sure the rodents have chewed that all along since gone. There is one new wire here that now I remember doing when we redid the electrical. That wire goes to this outlet, then back up, and then it looks like it goes down to that outlet, then back up, then over to that outlet, which we're not going to do. Whenever you do all this, I'm going to run the one wire up here in the corner, mount the box, run everything down, go right through the bottom and around, and then from this box, I'm also going to run one up and over right to the other side, so shouldn't be too bad. But we're going to get as much of this mess cleaned out here as we can, and then start smashing the walls open, I guess. What are you doing?
I'm smashing the wall.
With that?
I can't get it out. Oh, right.
It's a mechanic hammer. Use one of these. And you can open up the wall. Guys, would you believe it? There's no insulation in here. All right, well, I'm gonna put a mask back on. Here you go. Feel free to smash. Just know there is wiring running here, and there's wiring running down through here. So those are the two spots I'd be careful smashing. The rest of it, have at it.
All right, let's see what's inside of these walls. What are you doing?
Watch this. Apparently that's nailed into the wall more than I thought it was.
I say we smash the wall and tear down the shelf that way.
Oops, I cracked it. Okay, well. I guess we can fry that off now. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
That was a lot of work.
Let's give it a little look-see what it looks like. Other than, well, up there and some trim board there and a couple little spots here and there, but everything is now stripped. Apparently the termites had a field day right there and ate most of that. I'm assuming that's been like that for a while. I don't know what's all
assume?
over it. Huh?
You know what I assume?
What?
These face masks prevent nothing from coming in.
I'd recommend N95s. I forgot them. So we went COVID safe. They work wonders.
Yeah, it worked real good.
It's going to end up in the garbage afterwards.
Yep.
But listen, we got a huge mess right here that we're going to get cleaned up. And I guess we'll see you guys probably in the morning when we start all the electrical. It's the next day. We're missing something here. Hang on, let me fix that. That didn't work. Wait a minute. I bet you a quick word from this video's sponsor will help.
Are you feeling down? Have you not felt the same recently? Do you miss the feeling of the wind blowing through your hair? Well, do we have a product for you? Introducing Just a Wig. With Just a Wig, all your troubles can be tossed away with just one flip. By simply clicking the like and subscribe button, you too can help a fellow bald guy.
Before Just a Wig, construction didn't feel the same for me. Even working on cars. Now, with Just a Wig, besides the itchy scalp, well, things just feel like they go a whole lot smoother.
Side effects may include envious friends, lice, overconfidence, itchy scalp, unwanted dandruff, and unexpected removal. Remember everyone, by simply clicking the like and subscribe buttons, you can help the OCD Garage guys look top notch. Now, back to the garage.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our sponsor. It did help, because see, we got the sheetrock up in the ceiling for, well, most of it, and you know, we're a little short there, but all the insulation's done. We actually have all the electrical done, and as I said, up here we have our HDMI port, which runs all the way over to here, and that'd be nice, so I can hook up the computer, or if I decide I want to put an Xbox out here, I can just hook it up, and I don't have to worry about running cables to the TV and stuff. I just plug it in the wall. But everything's done in here. We do have all the rest sheetrock, the door. Let me tell you, this is off like there's no tomorrow. I mean, even the sheetrock is like 1/8 of an inch off across because this wall is not even remotely close to being square. But if you enjoyed this as much as we didn't, please hit that subscribe button, throw us a like, share this with a friend, and you'll have to come back next time, because next time we're hoping we're going to actually get the rest of the sheetrock up, and you'll have to see who our next sponsor is. Might be a good one. But we'll catch you in the next video.
We'll need the regular hammer.
No, hang on. Smash that again, and I'm going to come in, and here comes your little blooper moment.
Okay, good.
Smash it. Oh, Debbie. Before you start laughing. Before Just a Wig, things didn't feel the same. Gotta do it again because you screwed it up. Stop.